Namaste to all. I, Dr. Shweta Tyagi, Professor and HOD from Department of PG Studies in Shalyatantra, takes this opportunity to give a message on this Women's Day. We have seen that from Middle Ages, surgery has not been practiced much by women practitioners or women surgeons. So when we take the data, it is 1:8 which contributes to females. So 1 is female and 8 is male. So we can see that how much lacuna is there in this system, wherein the women are not coming forward to take the opportunity becoming as surgeon. When we speak from the point of Ayurveda, myself being the Ayurveda surgeon, has also faced many challenges and come to this level of heading a surgical department today. This has not been very easy, but nothing is easy in life. So let us pursue in it this way. Now let us talk about this system of surgery. This Ayurveda system of surgery. Acharya Sushruta is the surgeon, father of the surgery, wherein everybody knows, all the Indians and also from the people from the abroad have also accepted him as father of surgery. But nowhere in Sushruta Samhita there is a mentioning that a female should not become a surgeon. So when we see from the point of Ayurveda also, many females are not coming up to take up the field of Shalyatantra. And why it is so? Because of many barriers. So this message would contribute only to recommend all of you to break that barrier and come up and become the surgeon, because women has a great quality. They have a great quality, that is the hand of the women, which has been a great quality of a surgeon, and it is an inherited quality which is there in all women. So that is one thing which can make them, because their skill and their delicacy is much more better than even male surgeons. Also there is a journal which is published and a survey created, that is in BMJ journal. It is published that the patients of female surgeons are less likely to die. That is because again of their delicacy. So this is also proven. I am not here to go for superiority, or I am not talking about that we are superior. My word is only equality. So let us be just together and all women supporting each other, and we speak from the field of equality, not talking about superiority. So let us not criticize any gender and come up with the equality, because women are born with their talent. Only a hardcore woman who has the capacity to face all these challenges can stand up or withstand the criticism from the society, and still you can pursue whatever the success you have to pursue in life. So this is my message to all the women on this Women's Day. I would like to end my talk by saying that there was a great surgeon from Asia, that is Dr. T. Kanaka, who was the neurosurgeon, but she has to struggle hard for getting the knife. So this was the tendency before, but now because of globalization and also because of the technology development, we see a change in India as well as in abroad. We have many female surgeons now, and they are also participating equally with all male surgeons too. So just giving the message from Mother Teresa that okay, I alone may not be able to change the world, but yet I can also throw a stone in the water, which can again create multiple ripples. I hope message of mine creates many ripples, and all women or people specifically from the field of Ayurveda specifically, they opt for Shalya PG and they become the surgeons or Ayurveda surgeons, which is much more superior than any other branches. Thank you one and all. Sorry.